Hey everyone, we're out here at Lenovo Accelerate. My name is Robert Daigle. I'm our AI Innovation and Business Leader here at Lenovo Data Center Group. And you've just seen what we're working on our Alico platform and some of our AI-ready hardware. We want to show you how you use that in a real-world use case. So this is a POC we put together to show how AI computer vision can be used in manufacturing to detect defects in a real-world manufacturing situation. Right here we've got a can on the assembly line, and it shows 3% damage, nearly perfect, right? But what happens whenever we change this out with a can that has a major defect on it? So then it's able to actually use computer vision to pick up that there's a defect in this can, and not just structural, but also what happens if it's a visual defect. And on here we can actually see that it will start to pick up the other defects, so not just a physical damage, but a visual damage. All of this was put together and built on our Alico platform that you've just seen in our Lenovo AI Innovation Center, and all the inference is running on this ruggedized Tiny here on the edge.
Okay, so tell me a bit about Alico. You've mentioned it. Yeah. Tell me more about it.
So that's a development platform. It's based on open source technology. So you bring in, you get to utilize your framework, whether it's TensorFlow, Caffe, MXNet. You take your framework and you can actually use Alico to develop your model. We took images of cans on an assembly line, and we actually fed those into Alico. Our data scientists trained a model on that data inside the Alico platform, and you can do this in your own environment. So if you want to empower data scientists in your own environment, you can actually use our AI-ready servers, the Alico platform, to get started today. If you want to work on a POC and you're looking for a way to get started, that's where we can work with you on a POC similar to this to apply AI in your own business use case.
Okay. What else can you tell me?
Yeah.
Or we maxed this out already?
No, this is great. So if you want to look at, maybe you're a manufacturing company and you want to look at how you can apply AI, we'd love to work with you in the Innovation Center. We have other use cases that we can show you, everything from smart retail.
Go ahead, let's walk. Go ahead. One continuous shot.
Absolutely.
I love it. So go ahead.
So we're bridging this whole story between IoT and AI and actually applying it to real use cases.
And of course, late afternoon, you're putting food in front of me.
Absolutely.
Just count your fingers after I'm done.
Here, but what you can see is it's actually used computer vision to be able to detect the items on this display. So we could.
So if I sneak this Snicker bar away, what happens? Wow! I stole the Snicker bar, guys. Now I put it back.
And this is the power of computer vision, how you can apply it to a retail environment.
Okay.
Anything else that you want to add?
We're doing a Facebook Live.
Facebook Live.
I'm trying to, I got followers that want to learn about what all they're doing. So
this is part of our Think IoT platform and how they're applying AI at the edge.
Okay. Computer vision cashier. So as I bring my cart to the supermarket in the future, all I got to do is just bring it in front.
I mean, that's the idea, is how can we make it more efficient for the customers and actually provide things for the businesses that, prevent, like loss prevention for the actual businesses to mitigate some of the, churn that they have inside the store. So these are the type of use cases that we're looking at, from smart retail, manufacturing, we've got logistics, and then we also have some others. So when you talk about applying AI, there's business use cases, and then there's global humanity use cases. And so one last thing I want to show you.
Let's go. We're going one shot here.
Is we actually have been working with one of our partners in the Innovation Center to show you how you can apply AI to a really big challenge, right?
Okay.
So deforestation, we're losing about almost 60 million acres of forest every year globally. That's about 27 soccer fields each minute.
Okay.
So deforestation impacts global climate change. It's a direct impact of global climate change.
Yeah, I'm just going to go to the monitor here. Okay.
Now, what our customer was working on through the AI Innovation Center is they actually have a project to be able to track the survival rate of young trees to ensure that we can mitigate some of the impacts of deforestation.
By the way, that just said 27 soccer fields every minute.
That's every minute. Every minute.
Just reinforcing that, guys.
It's a big number.
Yeah.
And this impacts all of us, right? So it's not just about business use cases, but real challenges that impact humanity. It's another thing that we want to look. How can we apply AI to it? So what they've done is they've actually trained an AI model that when we inputted tree data, and we'll just click here, that they can actually analyze this drone footage data. So this is footage, 4K image data captured by a drone, and they can analyze it using a computer vision algorithm to detect the trees on the application. This is the first stage of the POC. In the future, we actually want to be able to track the health over time, so not just the survival rate of these trees, but actually track the health of them so we can start mitigating some of the impact that deforestation has on society.
Wow, pretty impactful, I get it. I'll give you a final word. What do you want to close with?
If you're out here at Lenovo Accelerate, come by and talk to us. We'd love to share more about what we're doing with AI technology. Or you can visit us at lenovo.com/AI to learn more.
And Robert, what's the last name?
Robert Daigle.
Thank you, Robert.
AI Innovation and Business Leader.
Thank you so much. We'll do the handshake on camera.
All right.
And